Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to be sharing something really exciting with you guys. I'm going to be sharing with you my childhood bedroom. So I just got to my parents' house. They still live in the same house they lived in when I grew up. We moved in this house in about 1997, so I was about 7 years old. And I had the same room pretty much the whole time that I lived here up until when I moved out. I moved out when I was 19. So right now it is my brother's room because he's 20. He hasn't moved out yet. He's still in college. So hopefully the room is not too big of a disaster, but I'm going to sneak in there and show you guys. He's at work, so he's never going to know I'm in there. And then afterwards, make sure you stay tuned because I have a special treat for you guys. Okay, so it's really dark up here. So this is his room. Let's see. Okay, so here we are. It's not too bad. There's his desk. He built that computer himself. But yeah, this was my bedroom growing up. Those were my closets. I had the bonus room. This was a little shelf. It used to be painted like baby blue when I lived here. That's like a really old TV. I think that's my sister's old TV. I don't know what he's got going on over there, but I think some of that stuff has been there for a long time. So yeah, I had this really big window. I loved it. I had a pretty big room. There's ANNSLEE just chilling in his desk, or at his desk. Seriously, this is how much my brother doesn't care about what's in his room. These pictures right here are my sister's. My sister took over this room whenever I moved out, and these are her and her friends from the beach. And they're still hanging in here. That's so funny. So, I will bet you guys anything that in this cabinet down here behind me, I bet you anything that some of my stuff or some of my sister's stuff is still in it. Let's find out. Oh, what do you know? I know those aren't his purses. So I just found this big box of letters. These were my sister's from when she was in this room. Oh my gosh, y'all remember Lisa Frank? Oh, well, that's exciting. That's cool. Wow. So I did end up finding two of my prom dresses, so that's kind of cool. This is the dress that I wore after I graduated. I went to prom with a senior, so I really liked this dress. And then the blue dress I actually wore my sophomore year of high school, and I really liked this one too. Okay, so here is the little surprise I had for you guys. I'm going to close the door behind me because my house is loud. My parents' house is loud and chaotic. So, the door is really dirty, but this is an old house. So, yeah, check this out. So, this is what we call the tanning room, and all our friends would come in. Anybody that came over to me and my sister's house, they would have to come in and sign the wall. So, I'm going to go through here and try to find some of my friends, and I'm going to read them to you guys. This was what my friend Lindsay right here wrote. Lindsay Marie was here. This was in 2007. So this was probably, I guess this would be whenever I was a junior in high school. And there's a lot of bad stuff on here I don't want to really read to you guys. But I'm finding out that a lot of this stuff is my sister's because we started this when I was probably a little bit older. So my sister had the full time of growing up in this house and writing on the walls with her friends. So there's a lot more of hers, but I'm going to dig through it and see what I can find out of my friends. I just found this right here. It says Mackenzie was here 6507. I would have been pregnant with Aubree. You guys know that I had Aubree when I was 17, and then I wrote Aubree was born November 16th, 2007. Again, Mackenzie was here October 10th, 2007, waiting for Aubree. Somebody wrote howdy partner. I think this was a guy I went to school with. I'm not really sure. I just found this, and I've never actually read this before. It says, tribute to my mama, 4/17/37 to 7/13/07, Billy Joe. That's my mom's name. And then she also has a tribute to her dad. When he died, I did not even know that she had wrote this in here. And then I found this. This was my friend Paul. He's still my friend. Ken's taking down that crib was fun, not best forever. Love, Paul. This was in 2008. He must have helped me with Aubree's crib or something like that. Here is my friend Amber, and we are still very good friends. Amber Nicole. I love you, Mackenzie. Love Lauren. Me and Lauren are still friends. Kristen was here. Kristen recently started her own YouTube channel, and you guys should go check her out. Her channel is called This and That Life. This was 2006, so this is one of the oldest ones I've seen so far. My sister wrote this, "Dear Wall, you're my best friend. Love, Connor." Amber was here. I love you, Kenzie, and I think it's the same Amber that wrote that right there. My sister wrote, "Connor, space, stay out," and then I wrote, "I'll write where I want to. Thanks, Kenzie." And then Aubree wrote on this when she got older. Y'all, look at this wall. This is so crazy. Remember that song? Never let your praying knees get lazy and love like crazy. So I didn't find a lot in that room that was wrote on by my friends because my sister has seriously went in there with her friends and wrote on every square inch of the wall, so I can't hardly see. But I found my high school diploma. I found like all of my yearbooks, which is really cool. So I'm gonna go through these right now and just bring back some memories. Okay, so now I'm at home and I brought home a bunch of boxes of pictures. But I'm just gonna show you guys 10 or 15 of them. And yeah, I hope you enjoy all these crazy pictures of me. A lot of them are from high school. So this one right here was my freshman prom. And then this was my freshman year. I did like the school pageant. I'm the one in the pink dress. And you probably know, but I'm the one in the blue dress in this one. And then this is a pageant I was in when I was, I believe, 4. I did win first place. And here is a picture of me and my friend Tara. We were waiting on our rides at school. This was before I drove. This was another prom picture. This was a cheerleading squad. That's me right there. I cannot remember what year that is. There's me again. That's me sometime in high school. Oh, I just have this out because I sent that to one of my friends from high school. Here is me on my cell phone. Oh my gosh, who had a phone like that? That's so crazy. Here's me one Halloween. I was probably like 10 or something in this picture. I was a bride. Here's me and my good friend Amber. She was one of the ones that wrote on the wall. I still talk to Amber almost every day. Here is one of my friends, another Amber. This is different Amber. I just wanted to show this picture because look at how I was dressed. Who the heck did I think I was? I was in like 9th grade here. Oh my gosh, that's so embarrassing. If my daughter ever tries to dress like that, it will be a bad day. And then this is me and my friend Kristen, the one that has the channel called This and That Life. She also wrote on the wall. I have so many pictures of me and Kristen. We were very, very good friends in school. We still are friends, and I still talk to her every day of my life. And then here is one more. This was like a overnight field trip. That's my friend Carla and Boomer. And yeah, that's just some of the pictures that I figured I would show you guys from my childhood. So yeah, I know this was a different kind of video. Ignore the mess back there. I just got a shipment in from Route 21, but I really enjoyed doing this and going to my mom's and just looking through everything. I hope you guys did too. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Tonight we're running on the right track.